Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video we are going to talk about decorators in Python. A decorator is a powerful concept in Python that allows us to modify or enhance the behavior of a function without changing its source code. It essentially wraps another function, adding functionality before and after the wrapped function is executed. Decorators are often used for tasks such as logging, authentication, and code readability. So a decorator is like a magic spell for functions. It helps us to add special power before or after the function does its job, without changing the function itself. Consider a scenario where we have a function, say hello, that performs a specific task like printing hello world. Def, say hello, print world. Then here we call our function, say score hello. In this case we have created the function say hello. This function print our message, which is hello world. But what if later we realized that we need to add additional behavior, such as logging before and after the execution of this function? To achieve this, we might create a new function, like for example say hello with logging, which includes the logging steps. So this is, write def, say hello with logging. Print for so function is called, and here's the say hello function, our function. Print after the function is called. Then here we call our function by writing the name of the function. So I'll say hello with logging. In this case, we printed here our message before the function is called, and then we executed our function, which is say hello, to print the message hello world. And after that, we printed the last message, which is after the function is called. But there are many challenges and limitations for this code. For example, the code duplication, as this approach leads to code duplication. If we have multiple functions requiring similar logging, we would need to create separate wrapper functions for each, resulting in redundant code. In addition, scalability issues, as our code base grows, managing multiple wrappers functions for various functionalities. As our code base grows, managing multiple wrapper functions for various functionalities become challenging and less scalable. So we are going to improve this approach by using Decorator. In contrast to using decorators, provide a more elegant and scalable solution. We can create a generic decorator, such as, for example, my decorator, to encapsulate the additional functionality and apply it to any function needing the behavior. Let's make it an example to understand. If my decorator, here we'll put our function, and then this wrapper, right, for function is called, and here our function, print after the function is called, and then return wrapper. Here we've put extra A, so we delete it, and here return wrapper. And now let's create our decorator, which will be def say hello and then print hello world. This is our function that we have put here. And now in order to perform the decorator, we have to write at, which is shift 2 in our keyboard, and then we write the name of the parent function, so which is my decorator, I_decorator. Lastly, we call our function, which is say hello. As you can see, we got before the function is called, and the message of hello world, which is the function, say hello function, that we have put here in the middle between the two messages, and finally the last message, which is after the function is called. So now what are the advantages of Decorator? Decorators promote modular design by isolating additional functionality. We can apply the same decorator to multiple functions without duplicating code. In addition, as our project expands, decorators offer a scalable way to manage and extend the behavior of functions without cluttering our code base. Lastly, decorator syntax clearly indicates the modification of function behavior. Centralizing changes in the decorator enhances code readability and simplifies maintenance. So in summary, decorators shine in situations where we need to add consistent behavior to multiple functions, providing a cleaner, more maintainable, and scalable solution. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Until next time, happy analyzing.